Assalamu alaikum, dear children. One day, a lamb was eating sweet grass away from her flock of sheep. She did not notice a wolf walking nearer to her. When she saw the wolf, she started pleading, "Please don't eat me. My stomach is full of grass. You can wait a while to make my meat taste much better. The grass in my stomach will be digested quickly if you let me dance." The wolf agreed. While the lamb was dancing, she had a new idea. She said, "I can dance faster if you take my bell and ring it so hard." The wolf took the bell and rang so hard. The shepherd heard the sound and ran quickly to save the lamb's life. Moral of this story: the gentle and weak can sometimes be cleverer than fierce and strong.